Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the examination pattern. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to focus on. Prioritize conceptual clarity over simply memorizing facts. A strong grasp of core concepts will help you solve complex problems. Establish a consistent daily study schedule, dedicating at least 1 hour to each science subject. Physics, chemistry, and biology. Regularity is key to retaining information and building a solid knowledge base. To truly engage with your science material, active learning is crucial. Start by making concise, handwritten notes during both lectures and your self-study sessions. These notes become personalized summaries. Next, utilize diagrams and flowcharts to visualize complex processes and relationships. This aids in better understanding and recall. Regularly solve all end-of-chapter questions and practice problems from your textbook. Aim to complete at least 10 to 15 practice questions daily across your science subjects to reinforce learning and identify areas needing more attention. Effective revision is paramount for long-term retention. Dedicate time each week to review all previously studied topics. This prevents information from fading from memory. Consistent practice of numerical problems and derivations is essential, especially in physics and chemistry. Work through at least 5 to 7 numerical problems daily. Finally, utilize past year question papers as a crucial tool for exam preparation. Solving these papers under timed conditions helps you understand the exam format and manage your time effectively during the actual test. A holistic approach to studying science also includes your well-being. Remember to take short breaks, approximately 5 to 10 minutes, every 45 to 60 minutes of study to avoid burnout and maintain focus. A balanced diet and adequate sleep, around 7 to 8 hours nightly, are vital for cognitive function and memory consolidation. Lastly, never hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers or peers for any doubts you encounter. Addressing questions promptly prevents misunderstandings from accumulating and strengthens your overall comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.